Assalamualaikum and good evening to my teachers and my friend. My name is Muhammad Luqman bin SABRI and I'm from Fakulty Pendidikan Teknikal and Vocational and I take program Electric and Electronic. So today I want to talk about my favorite childhood cartoon series. So actually since I child, I really like to watch any cartoon series from Japan, which is called anime series. So actually, the anime series that I really like to watch is Mobile Suit Gundam Double Zero. So actually, this anime is about war between three power bloc, which is Union, the Human Republic, and also Advanced Europe Union. So for the Union, they control America, Japan, New Zealand, and also Australia. And for the Human Republic, they control almost all the mainland in Asia, include the Middle East and also Oceania. And for the Advanced Europe Union, they control all the Europe and also island at North Atlantic and also Arctic Ocean. So actually the cause of war because these three power bloc they want to monopoly the resources such as oil and others, and also they want to monopoly the new energy which is called solar energy. So actually, these three power bloc they form an alliance which is called United Nations Army because they want to fight a secret organization, Celestial Being. So actually, Celestial Being is a secret organization which they fight these three power bloc to achieve peace and also to unite the humanity. So actually, I really like this story because the story we can relate it to our reality or real life, which we today we can see there are so many countries at war because of the greed, and also their greed to monopoly the resource, and also and because of their greed they made the innocent people to fall victim. So actually, in the conclusion, I think the cartoon series or anime actually can give us a good moral value if we can understand the story actually, because because if we can understand their storyline, actually, we can relate the events or maybe some event at in their storyline to the real life actually. So actually, I think we if we can understand the message that the storyline to give to us, actually we can understand the moral value. So actually, we can apply the moral value from the story to our real life. So that's all from me, and thank you.